but from this behavior evolved tent making. At least 20 species of tent makers work within the rainforests, all of which are small. As one of the smallest, Honduran whitebats are like cotton balls. Such a size may be necessary before the behavior can evolve, so that a single leaf could support and hide the occupant. In some species, tent making may have been driven largely by sexual selection. Typically, a single male lives with a group of females. Males may have learned to construct tents as a way of attracting mates, with the more skillful builders more handsome